Schlage smart locks, like the Encode Plus and Sense models, seamlessly integrate with Apple Home through HomeKit and the Matter protocol. This integration enables control of your Schlage lock using iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch. The integration uses the Matter protocol for reliable connectivity and Apple's HomeKit for secure smart home control. This allows convenient access through your Apple devices, enhancing home security and automation. This video guides through the pairing process and common troubleshooting steps. Matter is a smart home protocol that ensures cross-platform compatibility. It allows Schlage locks to communicate securely over IP networks using end-to-end encryption. This transition shows how Matter connects to Apple's HomeKit ecosystem. Apple's HomeKit uses the HomeKit accessory protocol for secure device control. This allows you to control Schlage locks with Siri or create automations. Start by ensuring your Schlage lock is powered on and connected to your Wi-Fi network using the Schlage Home app. Next, enable Bluetooth on your iPhone. Then, open the Schlage Home app and generate a HomeKit code. Finally, open the Apple Home app and scan the code to add your lock. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. If pairing fails, start by updating your Schlage lock's firmware to the latest version, like 4.8.0, and ensure your iPhone is running the most recent iOS version. This resolves many compatibility issues reported in user forums. Next, reset your Schlage lock's network settings in the Schlage app. This clears any corrupted Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connections that cause 25% of pairing issues, according to user reports. Double-check that HomeKit is enabled in your iPhone settings under Privacy and Security. This ensures the Apple Home app can discover and pair with Matter-enabled Schlage locks. Finally, restart your iPhone to clear any temporary connectivity glitches. Hold the power button, slide to power off, then turn it back on. This simple step often resolves pairing problems with minimal effort. Once your Schlage lock is paired with Apple Home, you gain access to powerful features that enhance convenience and security. Remotely lock and unlock your door using the Apple Home app or Siri voice commands from anywhere with an internet connection. Moving to automation features. Create automations that unlock the door automatically when you arrive home, triggered by your iPhone's location. Next, sharing access. Share secure access codes with family members through the Home app, allowing them to enter without physical keys. Now, activity monitoring. Monitor detailed activity logs in the Home app to track who locks or unlocks the door and when, enhancing home security. Finally, security features. Schlage locks use AES 256 encryption to protect key fobs and access codes, ensuring your smart lock remains secure against unauthorized access. While smart locks provide great convenience, security should always be a top priority. Here are the key considerations to keep your Schlage lock and home safe. First, remember that physical keys are still a crucial backup. Smart locks depend on power and connectivity, so always keep physical keys handy for emergencies. Second, enable two-factor authentication for your iCloud account. This adds an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access to your smart home devices. Finally, regularly review your lock's activity logs and shared access permissions. Check the Home app for recent activity and ensure only trusted people have access. Future Schlage and Apple Home integrations will incorporate AI-driven features, such as predictive unlocking based on user habits. Schlage is partnering with Apple for secure home automations, integrating with cameras and sensors for enhanced security alerts. Sustainability improvements include voice-guided setup for visually impaired users. Integrating your Schlage lock with Apple Home provides enhanced security and convenience. By following these steps and tips, you can seamlessly connect your lock and enjoy its smart features. For additional support, visit Schlage's website or Apple's HomeKit resources. Stay safe and enjoy your smart home.